My talk was about the clinical trial experiences that I've been in. As a rare disease patient, I've participated in 2 hybrid clinical trials. So I talked about how the trials went, what worked well, and the opportunities for optimizing similar trials in the future. Yeah, the conference experience has been fantastic. I've just met so many people in the space, whether it's sites, whether it's CROs, everybody's been really welcoming. And I really just enjoy the opportunity to kind of raise my voice and talk about the experiences that I've had in hopes of helping other companies that are involved in the clinical trial space or providers or even patients themselves. I think patients need to be involved from the very beginning because they are the experts on their condition. And for them to be involved with the trial design, with the protocol, it'll ensure that the treatments that are developed are really developed with the patients and their experience in mind, as are the trials themselves. I think it needs to be pictured like, what does it mean for the patient experience of the trial? And then afterwards as well, because there's healing time. I would say even more for when there are biopsies involved, which are extremely common in all sorts of trials, whether dermatology or something else. So it's really taking into account the patient experience undergoing that procedure, and then how is that going to affect their days or weeks following that as well, and being considerate of that. I think that this is an area where we're definitely growing, right? I'm hearing more and more conversation about patient centricity and how to optimize the patient experience, how to make sure that the criteria are inclusive enough. And I've seen even in this conference, there's been more and more sessions that are focused on that. And I think even pharmaceutical companies are starting to have more patient advocacy groups. And so I think there's definitely more of a spotlight on this, which is really exciting to see.